Get him! Get your feet up, Ryan. Put your feet up. Don't let him. Push him. Push him. Don't let him sit on you. Put your feet up there. Push him out of his seat.
Thyroid cancer from excessive radioactive iodine.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up, Ryan. Don't let him sit on you. There you go. Push him.